Hi, doing Astro 1.3 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a marine exhibit, or mini aquarium, or whatever the heck you want to call it. To make this is actually pretty easy. All you really need is just a marine gallery and a marine lagoon hatchery. As you can see here, I made a couple of examples: the Anomalocaris exhibit, the Arapaima exhibit, and the Eumunosaurus exhibit. To make stuff like this, you're going to need the scenery mods and the dinosaur mods you want to use, Kai's Toolbox, Kai Core General, Kai Core Menu, and ACSE. As you can see, I really went to town with the Arapaima exhibit, giving it like a really Aztec South American look. Along over here, the head. Oh shoot, what was that? Oh, 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 sorry about that. There's the extreme lag. Inside, you'll see this. Yeah, if it ever does load. Taking a bit longer than it should be. Okay, there we go, good. As you can see, you can make stuff like this. I use the mangrove trees and the Jurassic Park 30th anniversary stuff. I use the logs. Really, I use a lot of stuff to really bring this aquarium to life. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do just that. So the first thing we're going to have to do is get our lagoon hatchery. You can use whichever one you want, but I'm going to use the Jurassic Park one since it's the biggest. Attach that to a path. There we go. And then next you're going to need a lagoon viewing gallery, which is right over here. And make sure it aligns with the gate to hide the water. Not too far in, because you don't want to take up a lot of space, but not too far back, so that when you view it, it doesn't clip through the hatchery door over here. So that you don't just see that hatchery door. Let's just attach that so it actually works. Enable. Enable. Actually, no, never mind. I don't want to do that. And then we're going to finish attaching this path. So. And then we think about how we want to decorate it. What we want this to look like. What exhibit we want it to be. I'm going to make it Ichthyosaurus exhibit. Or something. I don't know. Yeah. And then what you can do when you're working on the interior of the exhibit, yes, you can use the marine decorations and stuff. Attach a light over here, attach a light over here, 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 and here.
These animals first inhabited the Earth's oceans. The prehistoric seas were also home to a myriad of fish, ammonites, and other water-dwelling life forms.
But what you can also do is you can just use regular decorations as well to put inside the tank. For example, if you want to make seaweed, you could just take one of these plants. And I actually saw someone do this. So yeah, you can take a bunch of these small trees and you can piece them together, and then you can adjust the height using the Kai tools to make it look like an underwater plant of sorts.
The temperatures of prehistoric waters would have been significantly warmer than they are today. With this in mind, each tank maintains similar
like that. And like Kyodenic said, I think that looks really nice. So then we're just going to adjust that and move that in here. Let's see what else we can do. Let's get... Should we use my tower? Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna do this to make it feel a little bit more authentic. You can even rotate it to make it look like it's just fallen over. And then Y to bring it all down. There we go. What else can we add? We can also add these crabs made by Viral. We can add these trees as like vines. Like wall plants of sorts. No, I'm not good over here. There you go, thank you. Just add a bit more.
Beneath the surface of the water, deep in the depths of prehistory, lie magnificent marine marvels. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be amazed.
Shall I load it back? And yeah, that looks nice. Again.
Marine species are solely confined to the water, some predatory animals possess enough strength to propel themselves out of the water and unleash a devastating attack.
There we go. And if you want, and for decorating the exterior, you could just do the trees like this. I'm not going to put too much detail since it's just an example, but yeah. And you can even go to extents of doing this. Let me find it. This is my favorite one. The fountain.
The lagoon we have here was designed to house our marine reptiles. These mesmerizing animals are not actually dinosaurs, although they did live during Silver Ages.
Yeah? How cool is that? If that ain't one of the coolest things ever, I just don't know what is. And you can even go to extents like this. Let's see. This is Hell's aquarium mural I made out of Viral's Low Tier God scenery. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, ichthyosaurs right here. Ah, how cool is that? Now we add a log here. And for the finishing touches, you can add some additional scenery using the foliage brush and just brush along the edges over here. And this is what it should look like. For the final thing, let's add our marine creatures. Like I said, I'm going for the ichthyosaurus, so that's what I'm going to spawn. Yeah, it's gonna take a while since my game is really laggy. Come on. What? No. Not that.
Deep below the gently lapping waves of the primeval seas, these animals were enduring a perpetual fight for survival. An oceanic kingdom where any predator would become prey.
And there you have it. Your own marine exhibit. Let's look at it, shall we? Here's what the top should look like. Now let's go under, shall we? Ow, that hurt my ears. Ah, yeah, I probably have to fix that. Come on. Let me move. Now let's see it.
Out what lies
A tad bit more. Let's see. There we go, that's better. So yeah, this is what the finished product should look like. Ignore the floating crab over there. See, isn't this really cool? There's like 100 other things you can do with this. Really, the sky's the limit with this huge amount of creativity we have. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see what other crazy stuff you guys can come up with this new tutorial.